Welcome back, Lions! I hope that you're all excited to be watching your first class assembly of the year. My name is Jazlyne and I'm your class president. Although these times are uncertain, I'm glad that we can all come together to start this year off strong. Thank you for re-electing me to represent you. I'm truly humbled and grateful. Working alongside me are your amazing class officers.
Hi, Lions! My name is Mandy and I am your vice president. I am so thankful to be elected into this position, and I will work my hardest to ensure that we will have the best year possible despite the circumstances. I'm really excited for junior year, and let's keep on going strong.
Hi guys, my name is Yuda, and I'll be your class reporting secretary for the 2020 and 2021 school year. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and though it may be hard considering our circumstances, I'm sure that we'll make the best of it.
Hey everyone, I'm Chang and I'm your junior class corresponding secretary. I would just like to say thank you so much for electing me, and I promise I will do as much as I can for this class. I know this year may be a little weird, but I know that we can still get through it and still have tons of fun.
Hey class of 2022, my name is Dizon and I will be your class treasurer for this year. I'd first like to thank you for electing me as your class treasurer, and I am thankful to be a part of making your junior year amazing, despite our situation. And I promise to be here for you guys throughout this whole journey, and I know we'll make the best out of it together.
Now that you've met your officers, we would like to introduce our fabulous class vice principal, Ms. Matsukawa.
How's it, class of 2022? Welcome back to another exciting year at Mililani High School. Although this is not how we had planned to be back, and it's not our best choice, it is what it is. We're going to make the best of it and still have a rocking year. Your class council has been working very hard over the summer, planning for activities, planning for exciting things to happen this year. So we're going to make it a great year. The last 2 years have gone by very quickly. Don't you agree? I think so. The next 2 years, actually less than 2 years, because senior year we end a little early, is gonna go by even faster. So I wanna challenge everyone to do their best. You are more than halfway through your high school career. Make the most of it, participate in activities, study hard, have fun, and just keep plugging away, because it is gonna go by very quickly. You have awesome counselors. If you got questions or need any support while you're home, call them up, email them, call me, email me. You know me, if you call me, I try to answer right away. If not, email. Hopefully, I will see you soon on campus. If not, everybody be safe and persevere. We're gonna make the best of it, make it happen, and come back strong. Be safe, everybody. Wear your mask. Be COVID safe, take it easy, and hope to see you soon. Have a great year.
Thank you for all that you do for us, Ms. Matsukawa. Up next are our amazing class counselors.
Welcome back, juniors. Hope you had a great summer. We really miss you, and we really want to see you guys back on campus soon. If you need help, please let us know. We're here for you. Bye.
Thank you, counselors. Now we'll hear from our class advisor.
Welcome to your junior year, class of 2022. We all hope that you have had a restful summer and are ready to take on the new school year. As you begin the second half of your high school career, we are all looking forward to making memories along with you. Though we are embarking on a new and different path, you all embody the characteristics of Lions: strength, resiliency, resourcefulness, and loyalty. We challenge you to step out of your comfort zone and protect this pride by helping each other through our struggles and celebrating our successes. Each of you are an important and valuable member of our Lion Pride, so continue getting to know each other through your classes and participating in the many activities that our school offers. We got this, Lions. Here's to a wonderful year learning, growing, and dreaming together.
Thank you, Ms. Kaneko, and now let's meet our class council chair people for this school year. First up is our fundraising chairperson, Alyssa Lamarca.
Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Lamarca and I'm your fundraising chairperson. My job is to help think of different ideas to help raise money for upcoming events. I decided to join council this year because I wanted to help make a difference and I really wanted to help plan out each event. I look forward to serving you guys this year, and although times may be tough, I hope that I can make junior year a fun one. Now let's hear from our junior prom chairperson.
Hey, my name is Aviana Furuta and I'm your junior prom chairperson. During this time of uncertainty, we don't know what the future holds for us. Just know that we will work hard and try to make the best out of every situation. As of now, we will continue to remain positive while doing our best to explore different options to have something memorable. So now I'm going to be passing it on to your homecoming chairperson.
Guys, I'm Ilanako, your homecoming chairperson. I will be working with the other classes' homecoming chairs to make this year's homecoming something to remember. This pandemic has led to some pretty big changes as to what school looks like for us, and it's been hard on everyone. However, my hopes are high that this year's homecoming will be just as great, if not better, than the years before. I'm so excited to help plan and organize all the events that homecoming includes. Let's make the best out of this situation and keep up our school spirit. Up next is your Service and Appreciation Chairperson.
Lions, I'm Mia Nishihiro, your Service and Appreciation Chairperson. This year I'm excited to be working with you guys on planning ways to get back to our school and our community. Due to these crazy times though, we're going to have to get a little bit creative and think outside the box. But if you have any ideas, don't be afraid to give me a shout. Up next you'll hear from our council members.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Kotsakis.
I'm Mason Hiromoto. A quick little message. I know this time has been really tough for a lot of you guys, but see it through and we'll all come out the other side better.
Hi, my name is Kevi Anzai and I hope we have an amazing school year.
Hi, my name is Paige Fujiwara.
Hey, I'm Aiden Tolosa. Another year of school. Let's go, champ.
Hi, I'm Cassandra Morse.
Hi guys, my name is Jaime Cortez and I'm so excited to be a part of council. Even though this year is not at all what we expected, I hope to make the best out of junior year.
Hi, I'm Ebia and I wanted to wish you guys all the best of luck this school year.
Hi guys, I'm Eden. Hope you guys are safe and healthy and let's have a good junior year together.
Hi, I'm Krystal Luna.
Hi, I'm Keilah Diama. Even though these aren't the most ideal times right now, let's make the best of this school year.
Now that you've met our class vice principal, counselors, advisor, and council, here are a few reminders. Our class colors are green and black, and our class mascot is a lion.
We have new class merch. A huge thank you to Kevi Anzai for designing it. If you missed Trudging Gear Night and would like to purchase a class shirt, we will be sending out a link in the first week of September for more info about that.
We also have class face mascot for purchase. Look out for the link that Mandy talked about, and we'll have more information out soon.
To stay connected, follow our class Instagram at Mililani 2022.
Now it is time for a game. Hi, I'm Rozelyn, and welcome back, class of 2022 Lions. It looks like I forgot where everything is at school, and I need your help finding it. Can you help me? Great, let's go. Looks like we're at G building. Can you find where our class home base is? Over there? You're correct, G104. Let's go inside.
Uh-oh, this door probably has a lot of germs on it. I should probably go clean my hands. Can you help me find the hand sanitizer? Oh, there it is. Oh no, it looks like Caden took it. If you see him, say Caden no swiping. Caden no swiping.
Oh man.
Help. Can you help us find another thing? Do you know where our class advisor is? Behind us? There she is. That's Miss Kaneko, our 2022 class advisor.
Did you know you're supposed to wear your face mask and social distance? Can you help me find the sign that reminds people to wear their face mask? Oh, there it is. Do you know what is on my face mask? Pineapples, that's right. Thank you for helping me out. We did it!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
Thank you for playing our game with us. We miss all of you and can't wait to see you, whether in person or online. On behalf of our council, I would like to say thank you for participating in our first class assembly of the year. Stay safe and stay healthy.